pushing this rain out of here,
Yeah.
making way for really nice weather.
Comfortable couple of days.
Yeah.
Well, comfortable day and then a
Okay.
tolerable day because it'll be hot without the humidity. So, but then
I sense some yard work for me coming on tomorrow.
probably, unless you want to do it Saturday when you'll be sweating a lot more. Let's go ahead and talk about this. Tomorrow morning, you will start the day, especially say north of I-64. You'll notice that it's a little more comfortable outside. And when low temperatures are in the mid-60s, you know you're cutting the humidity down. We'll see more sunshine north, more clouds south starting the day tomorrow. We get you then to lunchtime. We're going to see more sunshine area wide at that point. Temperatures just in the upper 70s. But again, the humidity is going to be nice and comfortable. We get you then to the end of the day. It's going to be pretty terrific for us. Should be mostly sunny area wide by then with temperatures in the low 80s. Let's talk about how we're getting there, and we're transitioning with a front that's coming through. That front is being led by a few showers. Now, there have been some nasty storms. That cluster you see well to the southwest of Louisville, actually more toward the Owensboro area, that is a nasty cluster. These are spottier showers up in Lewis County. As we have looked how the evening has progressed, it was actually a fairly solid line across Indiana and Ohio. Then it split. We've been watching this one tracking almost to the southwest as it worked its way across Indiana, missed Louisville, and then the line really just broke apart over us. Then you see across southern Ohio, those ones are clipping northeast Kentucky at this point. But for a lot of us, we're not going to get a lot with the cold front coming through. So it's a broken line of change. That change tomorrow, we say goodbye to the muggies for a couple of days. Because by the weekend, we say hello to the mega muggies. It will be hot. It will be humid. And yeah, it'll be awfully sultry outside as we look toward Saturday and especially Sunday. We're hovering right around normal here yesterday, today, and tomorrow. And then we see the temperatures jump up on Friday. Now, we have the heat, but not really the humidity. We save that for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday with temperatures headed into the 90s. 75, Bluegrass Airport, very light east wind. That dew point of 71 means it is still sticky outside. As you look at temperatures, we're in the mid-70s pretty much area-wide. So in that respect, really a nice summer night out there. It's warm and, yeah, it's certainly humid. We're looking at these dew point numbers hovering around 70. Yeah, we're pushing the yuck numbers. As we continue, though, through the night, what happens? The drier air begins its push. And when you wake up tomorrow morning, if these numbers are sitting in the 50s, you walk out and it feels pretty good. We work through the day tomorrow and we push the moisture down into Tennessee. We get a pretty comfortable afternoon with highs in the 80s. Very little humidity in the air, and that's not a bad way to have a June day. We work through Friday. It's more the same. It's just going to be hotter. So the cold front will be doing its job as we continue through the next several hours. The colors that you see there, that is the mugginess that is being pushed to the south. High pressure builds in across Illinois. The northerly winds behind the front help that drier air come on in. We work through Thursday. That mugginess gets really pushed down through Tennessee and the deep south. Meanwhile, another little surge of moisture begins to work up through the Midwest, the Mississippi Valley. That's destined for us, not so much on Friday, but more on Saturday and Sunday with those southerly winds that'll be coming in. And what's going to be happening over the weekend, it's a heat ridge. So follow the lines here, going in a big clockwise circle. That means there's a big high pressure cell sitting over us. That limits clouds and also really starts to bake in the heat for us Saturday and especially on Sunday, where you see those darker oranges showing up. That's the peak of the heat wave. For tonight, just a couple of showers. They're around, still muggy. We're in the mid-60s. Tomorrow, increasing sunshine, less humid. Nice afternoon. We're in the low 80s. We go to the upper 80s, pushing 90 on Friday. Still low humidity. The humidity comes back on Saturday. The mugginess really sets in on Father's Day. Next good chance of rain comes in the middle of next week.